Texas chicken looks like it offers dozens of completely different meals, but fried chicken, tenders, sandwiches, and wraps may really be the same four craving systems arranged in different ways. Subscribe and tell us what you usually order. At first, the Texas chicken menu feels packed with totally different choices: bone-in fried chicken, tenders, sandwiches, wraps, biscuits, sides, and big family meals. But look a little closer, and nearly everything is built around the same five sensations: crunch, juiciness, salt, fat, and just enough sweetness to keep things interesting. Every item has to solve the same basic challenge. It needs to taste satisfying, stay flavorful, and feel worth the money. The names may change, but the real competition is happening underneath, in the texture, moisture, seasoning, and value. And the first system you notice is the one you can actually hear the crunch. That crunch does not come from simply leaving the chicken in hot oil for a few extra minutes. It begins with the coating. A rough, uneven surface creates tiny ridges, flakes, and air pockets, giving your teeth more fragile edges to snap through with every bite. On bone-in chicken, the coating usually clings closely to the skin. Tenders, on the other hand, have more crust compared with the amount of meat inside. That can make them sound louder and feel crunchier, even when the coating is not actually any thicker. Sandwiches face another problem, because the bun and sauce begin adding moisture almost immediately. The real secret is balance enough heat to drive water out of the coating, but not so much that the chicken underneath dries out. Because perfect crunch means very little when the meat inside is tough. Juiciness is really a race between heat and moisture. Dark meat, especially thighs and drumsticks, naturally contains more fat and connective tissue, so it usually stays tender for longer. Breast meat and chicken fillets are much leaner, which means they can turn dry surprisingly fast if the timing is even slightly off. Bone-in pieces also hold and release heat differently, and they often lose moisture more slowly than smaller tenders. Salt can help the meat hold on to water, but the size of the piece still matters. A smaller piece cooks quickly and develops plenty of crust, yet it can also dry out before a larger piece is fully cooked. That is why the best fried chicken is not simply the crunchiest. It is the piece where the crust breaks cleanly, while the meat underneath still feels soft, tender, and juicy. Once the basic chicken is ready, the flavor system can make it feel like several completely different meals. Spicy seasoning adds heat and gives the bite a sharper finish. Mayonnaise brings fat, which carries aroma and makes a sandwich feel smoother and richer. Barbecue sauce adds smoke, sweetness, and acidity, while honey pushes that sweet and salty contrast even further. Pickles cut through the grease with acid and crunch, making a heavy bite feel brighter and easier to keep eating. But sauce comes with a trade-off. It also adds moisture. That can make dry chicken seem juicier, but too much sauce can soften the crust very quickly. This is how the same basic chicken becomes spicy chicken, sauced tenders, sandwiches, wraps, or a completely different experience with one dipping sauce. But the identity of Texas chicken comes from more than flavor alone. It is also built around the feeling of Southern comfort food. Texas chicken's identity goes far beyond fried chicken. Its roots are tied to the idea of Southern comfort food: hot, filling meals built around familiar flavors, generous portions, and food designed to be shared. That is why biscuits, gravy, mashed potatoes, and family meals matter so much. They make the chicken feel like part of a complete table, rather than just another quick snack. The menu is meant to feel warm, rich, and satisfying, with soft sides balancing the crisp coating on the chicken. Even the packaging and combo structure help create that sense of abundance. And strangely enough, the item that captures this identity best may not be chicken at all. The honey butter biscuit works because it gives your mouth almost the exact opposite of fried chicken. The outside is lightly crisp, the center is warm and soft, and the buttery surface carries a thin layer of sticky sweetness. After several salty, spicy, oily bites, that sweetness can feel surprisingly refreshing. Sugar and fat soften the sensation of heat, while the tender biscuit creates a clear contrast with the rough, crunchy chicken coating. It does more than simply fill space in the box. It resets your palate, making the next bite of chicken feel exciting again. That sweet and salty rhythm can keep the meal moving even after you should already feel satisfied. And once biscuits and sides enter the order, Texas chicken activates its fourth system value. Sides are where the value system becomes much easier to see. Fries add another layer of crispness. Mashed potatoes and gravy bring soft warmth, and cheese-based sides create a heavier, creamier finish. Their job is not to steal attention from the chicken. It is to add contrast and make the meal feel more complete. Sides also make a combo look larger without adding the same amount of expensive protein. More containers, more colors, and more textures create a stronger impression of abundance. Family meals push that idea even further by giving everyone at the table something different to choose from. So value is not only about how much chicken you receive. It also comes from variety, texture, and the feeling that the entire table is covered. But which main item actually uses these systems best? Place the four main formats side by side, and each one wins for a different reason. Bone-in fried chicken delivers the strongest Texas chicken identity, with juicy meat, crisp skin, and the clearest contrast between the crust and the inside. Tenders push the crunch system harder because nearly every bite contains more coating, and the shape is perfect for dipping. Sandwiches rely much more on the flavor system, using buns, pickles, mayonnaise, and spicy sauce to create a fuller, more layered bite. The downside is that all those extras can also hide dry chicken. Wraps feel lighter, cleaner, and easier to eat. But the tortilla often softens the crunch and makes the whole experience less dramatic. So there is no single winner. Each format is designed for a different type of craving. And the best one at the counter can easily become the worst one after 20 minutes inside a delivery box. A delivery box can quietly undo almost everything the fryer just created. Hot chicken continues releasing steam, but inside a closed container, that moisture has nowhere to escape. It collects on the lid, settles back onto the food, and slowly turns a brittle coating soft. Fries lose their crisp edges. Sauced sandwiches become soggy, and wraps trap even more moisture around the chicken. The surprising part is that a rough coating with lots of ridges can suffer badly, because those same edges that create crunch can also absorb water quickly. So the crunchiest item at the counter may not survive the ride home. The final experience depends on more than the recipe. Holding time, packaging, ventilation, and the distance the food travels can completely change the result. The smartest choice really depends on what you want from the meal. For the clearest Texas chicken experience, choose bone-in fried chicken and eat it fresh with a honey butter biscuit. That gives you the full contrast of crisp coating, juicy meat, salt, fat, and sweetness in one meal. The riskiest delivery choices are fries and heavily sauced sandwiches, because steam and moisture can quickly erase the texture that made them appealing in the first place. For the best balance of flavor, portion size, and heaviness, tenders with one simple side and a moderate amount of sauce are usually the safer choice. There is no perfect order for everyone. Choose based on texture, timing, and how full you want to feel. Not just on which menu photo looks the biggest. Now the menu looks a little different. Fried chicken, tenders, sandwiches, biscuits, and sides all depend on the same four systems: crunch, juiciness, flavor, and value. Once you understand those systems, it becomes easier to choose smarter without fearing the food or overthinking every bite. Subscribe, and tell us which Texas chicken item we should rank next.